Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. I am back with another skincare product which name is Medik8 R-Retinoate Intense, a night cream. This product targets the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and blemishes. This cream featuring an innovative combination of retinal, retinoate, and retinaldehyde that works to target the look of fine lines and wrinkles while helping the skin to regenerate. This is designed to work 11 times faster and 8 times stronger than retinol. The Medik8 R-Retinoate Intense is packed with skin-loving actives. Drone-targeted copper peptide helps support the skin's natural collagen, while a ceramide complex imparts intense nourishment. With squalane and hyaluronic acid to deliver deep hydration and vitamin E to provide antioxidant protection, this night cream works to promote a smoother, younger-looking complexion delicately fragranced with notes of vanilla and citrus. It has antibacterial and antioxidant ingredients. Free from alcohol, parabens, phthalates, synthetic color, and artificial fragrance, Thai is cruelty-free. Helps supports the skin's natural collagen works to minimize the look of pigmentation and uneven texture. Key ingredients. It has retinal retinoate, 8 times more powerful than retinol and stable both day and night. This non-irritating vitamin A helps to stimulate collagen synthesis and supports the regeneration of skin cells. It contains encapsulated retinaldehyde, proven to work up to 11 times faster than retinol. Retinaldehyde is a revolutionary new form of vitamin A that targets fine lines and wrinkles, pigmentation, and uneven skin texture. It has drone-targeted copper peptide, a collagen-supporting copper peptide encapsulated in a polymer system that dives through the layers of the skin to specifically target collagen-producing cells. It is packed with ceramide complex, an intelligent combination of ceramides that mimic the skin's natural lipid barrier, intensely restoring and nourishing. It has multi-weight hyaluronic acid, with a unique ability to attract and retain more than 1,000 times its own weight in water. Hyaluronic acid draws moisture from the air into the skin to provide intense hydration. Squalane, a natural emollient that helps to restore the skin's natural defense barrier whilst also deeply moisturizing for smooth and supple skin. Vitamin E, a lipid-soluble antioxidant that is naturally present in the skin. Vitamin E protects the skin from free radicals and regenerates vitamin C for optimum pow. This product should be phased in over time as it contains retinaldehyde. Use twice a week for the first 2 weeks, every other night for the next 2 weeks, then every night. How to apply this cream? After cleansing in the evening, apply R-Retinoate Intense evenly across face, neck, and affected areas. Overnight cream to reduce all signs of skin aging, proven to be 8x more effective than retinol, suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. R-Retinoate Intense is an all-in-one night cream that enriches skin with the pure power of transformation. It helps to stimulate cellular regeneration and supports collagen synthesis. 8 times more powerful than retinol, retinal retinoate visibly reduces fine lines and wrinkles, evens skin tone, and smooths skin's texture for a more youthful-looking complexion. Final thought. This is expensive, but it's the first retinol I have used where I've seen a noticeable difference in fine lines on my forehead. If you can afford, it's a great product and really nice to use. I really liked the texture of the product. Super soft, light, without stickiness and viscosity. Very comfortable. Secondly, in the spring, moisturizing only this cream was enough for my combi skin. I used a toner and this cream. And of course, the effect. In my opinion, retinol is strong here. For 1.5 months, it brightened, moisturized, and tightened the skin well. Great strong product. Thanks for watching.